What if I told you that one of the rarest sights on Earth isn't a gem or a galaxy, but a volcano that bleeds rivers of brilliant, sapphire fire? Imagine standing on the edge of a volcano at night. You expect to see the familiar glow of red and orange lava. But here, something else happens. The ground cracks open, and instead of red, an unearthly blue light spills out. It looks like liquid electricity, like a scene from another planet. This is Kawah Ijen, a volcano in Indonesia, and it holds one of nature's most dazzling secrets. For centuries, locals spoke of a blue spirit in the mountain. Scientists dismissed it as myth until they saw it for themselves. The truth is even stranger than the legend, because this isn't lava in the way we think of it. This is something far more rare and far more dangerous. To understand why this volcano glows blue, we have to look not at the rock, but at the invisible gas that surrounds it. The story begins deep underground, where extreme heat and pressure are transforming simple elements into a volatile, hidden force. That force doesn't just escape, it ignites, creating an illusion so powerful it tricks the eye and defies everything we know about fire. For a long time, the blue flames of Kawah Ijen were known only to the sulfur miners who worked its treacherous slopes. They called it API Buru, the blue fire, and they considered it both a wonder and a warning. The miners would climb the volcano in darkness, carrying baskets to collect chunks of solidified sulfur. They moved through clouds of toxic gas, their headlamps cutting through the haze. And then, near the crater, they'd see it, flickers of blue light dancing across the rocks. It looked supernatural. When Western explorers first heard these accounts, they assumed it was a trick of the light, or perhaps the glow of burning sulfur. But when geologists finally arrived with cameras and gas detectors, they realized something extraordinary was happening. The blue wasn't coming from the lava itself. It was coming from something burning on top of it. The real mystery wasn't the color, it was the chemical reaction causing it. A reaction so intense it can only happen under specific, deadly conditions. Let's descend into the crater and uncover the science behind this spectacle. The heart of Kawah Ijen is a turquoise acid lake, one of the most corrosive bodies of water on the planet. But the blue fire has nothing to do with the water. It starts with fumaroles, cracks in the volcano's surface that leak scorching gas. That gas is mostly sulfur dioxide, which rises from magma chambers deep below. As the gas travels upward, it meets the cooler air and undergoes a dramatic transformation. Some of it condenses directly into liquid sulfur, which drips and pools like molten gold across the rocks. Now, sulfur has a very low ignition point. If the temperature of the gas is high enough, often over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, the liquid sulfur can instantly catch fire. And when pure sulfur burns, it doesn't produce a yellow flame like a match. It produces an intense, vivid blue. This blue light is so bright it can be seen from miles away on a clear night. But here's what makes it even more surreal. The lava flowing underneath is still red. The blue flames dance over it, creating a layered, otherworldly glow. It's not one color replacing another. It's two different phenomena happening at once. The red comes from the incandescent rock. The blue comes from the burning gas. This combination is what gives Kawah Ijen its eerie, two-toned beauty. But this beauty comes at a cost. The same sulfur gases that create the blue fire are highly toxic. They form thick, acidic clouds that can choke the lungs and burn the skin. The miners who work here often have no protective gear. They breathe this air for hours, their lives shortened by the very phenomenon that draws visitors from around the world. The blue fire isn't just a light show. It's a reminder of nature's dual power to create and to destroy. Scientists studying the volcano have to wear gas masks and move carefully. The ground is unstable, the air is poisonous, and the heat is unbearable. Yet they return because Kawah Ijen is one of the only places on Earth where this happens so visibly and consistently. Other volcanoes emit sulfur, but rarely in such concentrated, flammable quantities. It's the unique geology of this region, the specific composition of the magma and the structure of the vents, that allows the sulfur to ignite in such a spectacular way. Researchers have even found that the blue flames can help predict volcanic activity. Changes in the intensity or location of the fire can signal shifts in the magma below, giving communities precious time to prepare. So this mysterious glow isn't just a curiosity, it's a tool. A natural warning system written in light today. The blue flames of Kawah Ijen are both a scientific wonder and a symbol of human resilience. The miners still climb the volcano each night, their silhouettes moving through the blue haze. For them, the fire is part of life, a dangerous but necessary source of income. For scientists, it's a living laboratory. For the rest of us, it's a glimpse into one of the planet's most hidden and beautiful processes. It reminds us that Earth still has mysteries left to solve, and that some of its greatest spectacles are born from danger. The blue lava isn't lava at all. It's fire dancing on the edge of the impossible. And it challenges us to look closer, to question what we see, and to remember that nature always has another secret waiting just beneath the surface. Have you ever witnessed a natural phenomenon that left you speechless? Share your story in the comments. We might feature it in our next exploration of Earth's hidden wonders.